Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidewenke. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing, okay? And do not forget to click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will always be notified, okay? And do not forget to like the video if you find the video interesting. Do not forget to comment on the video, share my video to your friends, share to your family members, okay? And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always stopping by. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. You guys are the best. I do not take your love for granted. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious Efo Riro you're seeing here. This soup is so simple to make and it's so delicious. One thing I love about this dish is that you can enjoy it with any meal of your choice, either rice, pasta, yam, or even swallow. So guys, sit right back and let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe, okay? So guys, these are the list of things I'll be using to prepare my Efo Riro. In here, I have my pepper, my yellow and red scotch bonnet pepper. I also have red bell pepper. I have my dried fish. I have my beef and my cow skin. I have my locust beans, that's iru. I have my onions. I have my crayfish. I also have my Efo Riro leaf, that's shoko leaf, Efo shoko. So this is what the leaf looks like. You can get it at any local store close to you. So guys, I also have my palm oil, my seasoning cube, I have my salt. So to season my beef, I will be adding some beef seasoning, pepper and onions. These are the things I will use to season my beef. You can add ginger and garlic if you want. I don't like ginger and garlic in my soup. So if you like ginger and garlic in soup, you can add it. But I won't be adding ginger and garlic. So I'm going to be adding pepper and some onions. I'm going to stir everything, cover and allow it to steam. Okay, this should take about 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, for my dried fish, I will leave it in hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes, okay? And now I've already washed my leaf. I've washed it thoroughly. I will start slicing my leaf now. In a dried pot, I'm going to be adding palm oil. I will let the oil to get hot before going in with the next ingredients. There is no need for you to bleach your oil. We are not bleaching our oil. Guys, I didn't know that my camera was not recording by the time I added water to my beef. Okay, so at this time our beef is cooked and we are going ahead to make our soup. If you have watched me up to this point and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like my video. Okay, always like my video and please recommend my video. Okay, and do not forget to leave me a sweet comment in the comment section. So now I'm going in now with my onions, my iru, and then my crayfish. Okay, I'm going to stir this, allow it to fry for few minutes before going in with the next ingredients. I'll be adding in my pepper mix now. I'll go in with some salt, chicken seasoning, I'm going to stir and add in my dried fish. I'm going to stir and cover the pot, allow it to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium to low heat. So guys, I will be going in now with my beef and my cow skin. I will go in with this beef stock, but if you like your soup dry like this, you can just add in your leaf. Okay, but I don't want my dry. I want it a little bit, not too runny, not too dry. Okay, just normal. I'm going to stir, allow it to cook for another few minutes before going in with my leaf. Okay, at this point our soup is 80% or even 90% ready. Have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? I will cover now and let it cook for a few minutes. So guys, I'll be going in now with my leaf. I'll add in my leaf now. So guys, I'm going to mix this very well until the leaf is well mixed in the sauce or in the soup. Okay, I'm going to mix it so well now. If you don't like plenty leaf in your soup, by all means do you. Okay, just go in with the quantity of leaf that you want. I'm going to mix it so well, cover the pot and allow it to cook for a few seconds. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like my video if you have not liked it. Okay, if you have watched at this point and you have not liked, please click on the like button and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, subscription is free, liking the video is free, there is no hidden charges. Just click on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first people to see the video. Okay, and do not forget to share my video to your friends, share to your family. Okay, I'm going to cover the pot now and let it cook for few seconds. So guys, I will give you the last stir and I will bring it down. Our soup is ready. Look how yummy this soup is looking like. So yummy. You can enjoy this with your swallow, with your rice, with your yam, with your pasta. You can enjoy it with any meal or dish of your choice. Okay, this Efo Riro came out so yummy, so delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.